I'm looking for the secrets. I'm a treasure hunter and I look for the secrets. But I'd like to know what's going on inside people. I like to bring out what they don't know or what potential is in there that they haven't expressed. I find out all kinds of talents that people have that they had no idea that they would actually put in public. The title is the core. Everybody relates to the core title either from a spiritual level, personality level, cognitive level, emotional level, musical level, sound, visual, the things that we've been studying. But not everybody relates to the core title from all of those things. And those things are energies, they're not words, but we use words to describe those things. So that's why I aim to engage you energetically and physically, and at an etheric level, at a subtle level, and in relationship to the world and to the planet. We're powerful. You are powerful. I'm interested in you being artists, not just performers or dancers. And so in that way, whatever your essential essence and ability to be the brilliance that you are on the planet, you have to be willing to be seen. Not as a body, but as a soul, as a spirit, as a being of light, as a person of wisdom and information, and a person who's funny and joyful and willing to fail and be a clown. Yeah?